Sir, the app and its material was very helpful. Like I just used speed and most of its material to uh, fulfill my dream.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Arundhati Mukherjee for scoring rank number 11 AML in MCH Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery in NEES April 2026. Congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
Great. Now, can we know why plastic surgery?
Sir, actually, I was doing my while I was doing my junior residency in ENT in from AIMS Kalyani. So we also had a part of our curriculum. We also had peripheral posting in the Department of Plastic Surgery because ENT as ENT surgeons we are also doing quite a few facial plastic procedures as well as head and neck reconstructions. So we had a compulsory 1 month posting also in my final year in plastic surgery. So while in the duration of the posting, seeing the various types of surgeries, and I got my interest peaked and I wanted to take plastic surgery. Also, some of my seniors have also given from ENT, they have gone into plastic surgery and are now doing their senior residency in various INIs. So I got inspired from them as well.
Great. Now, can we know your background from where you started till date?
Sir, I have basically done my MBBS from Murshidabad Medical College, which is a government medical college under West Bengal University of Health Sciences. I passed with gold medals in all my final year subjects and also in my pre-final and paraclinical subjects. And then I went on to do my MS in ENT from AIMS Kalyani, where I also again scored distinction. And then while doing my senior residency, like I passed out in December 2025. And just after like getting my results, I started studying for this, preparing for INISS and NEET for plastic. And then I gave the exam in May 2026.
Great, great. Doctor, once you decided to do so, and what is your preparation strategy? What you did to achieve this?
Sir, basically, I got to know from my seniors about your platform, Speed app, and consequently, I enrolled myself on your platform in December itself. And I just started like as soon as my final year exams got over, like from the very next day, I started my preparations and I stuck to the material present on the app itself. And I obviously read the core subject books like Grab Smith, Nelligan. I consulted the books and I used the app and its material. And so obviously your classes every Thursday, I believe, yeah, every Thursday, those revision classes, those were very helpful, which used to come on, and also the live plastic surgery NISS classes. So, sir, the app and its material was very helpful. Like, I just used speed and most of its material to uh, fulfill my dream.
Thank you,
And
sir.
also, I was doing senior residency at the same time. So I didn't get much time because I was working also simultaneously. So, sir, I had asked you on one of your sessions, like, what should I do with my job, sir? You had told me to do 1 hour of studies, dedicated studies each and every day. So that helped me. I used to, without fail, I used to study for at least 1 hour every day. And that kind of helped me progress.
Great, doctor. How many questions were you able to attend the session?
Sir, I attempted 72 questions in total and I had left three.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Doctor, what will be your advice for the future aspirants?
Uh, Sir, my advice would be start early, move steadily, and be persistent and consistent. Consistency and regularity is the key. That is the only mantra and the only strategy for success. Like it doesn't happen in 1 day. Progress is gradual, and there will be failures on the way, but that shouldn't be a deterrent to the persistence and progress.
Great. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career.
Obviously, my biggest thank you goes to my parents who supported me so far in my journey, because it has been a very, very long journey from MBBS to MCH pre-entrances. And secondly, my head of the department of ENT, Ajay Malik sir, he helped me, he supported me throughout. Also, while I was doing my senior residency, my seniors, my senior residents, especially my first senior residents, Mautam sir, Sandeepan sir, Ruzano ma'am, they also helped me. And my co-resident, Dr. Hena. So these friends and family have been instrumental in my progress. And obviously, a big thank you to you, sir, to Vinayak sir, to your platform, sir. Without speed, nothing would have been possible. Nothing. And also a special mention to the Department of Plastic Surgery of AIMS Kalyani, HOD Gaurav sir, and SR Shimoy ma'am, who helped me and guided me throughout this journey.
Great, doctor. Great sharing. Great share. And once again, wish you all the very best and all the success for a beautiful and amazing and wonderful, fabulous career as a plastic surgeon. You're going to do an amazing job. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And big thank you to the entire team of Speed for helping me on this journey. They have been instrumental in this win.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks for wonderful and great words of acknowledgement. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.